Lawyers for exes Julia Haart and Silvio Scaglia duked it out legally on Tuesday over a highly contested venue for a political fundraising party that Haart was set to host at the couple's former multi-million-dollar marital home. Page 6 has exclusively learned that Haart, who is currently filming for her Netflix show My Unorthodox Life, was granted permission to go ahead with the event on Tuesday just hours before guests were set to arrive, but with a number of stipulations. Page 6 reported this week that Haart's pro-choice fundraiser for Texas politician Beto O'Rourke, scheduled for June 21, was hanging in the balance with Rex Scaglia, objecting since he did not give his permission to use the space. Sources told us the building's management company, for Mr. Scaglia, have been instructed not to allow anyone who is not a resident of the apartment in. The home is owned by Scaglia's Freedom Holdings. In May, Vice Chancellor Morgan T. Zern of the Delaware Court of Chancery declared that despite earlier claims by Haart, she does not own half Freedom Holdings. However, Judge Douglas Hoffman decided in an order via the Supreme Court of New York on Tuesday that Haart, who is living in the Vestry Street home, could go ahead with the event and ruled that Scaglia shall not interfere, in any fashion. Going forward, Haart must give Scaglia 10 days advance notice if she plans to hold an event with more than 30 people. If Scaglia objects, he will have to raise the issue through his lawyers within 3 days. The reality star has also been ordered to try and obtain insurance for the contents of the penthouse. Without it, she shall personally guarantee the safety and protection of the contents. Attendees at the fundraiser, which has a guest list including high-profile names like NY Attorney General Letitia James, may notice something is unusual. The judge also ordered that there must be signage in the penthouse stating that Freedom Holdings Incorporated, controlled by Silvio Scaglia, is politically neutral and does not endorse any political position or views. It does, however, welcome guests to tonight's event. Nancy Shimtab, attorney for Julia Haart, tells us, trying to shut down an event that supports and celebrates women's rights was a new low even for someone as desperate as Silvio, who once again failed to embarrass Julia as part of his ongoing harassment. She looks forward to welcoming this group of feminist leaders to her apartment. Meanwhile, Freedom Holdings attorney Lanny Davis, who made it clear he has no issue with the politics of the event, tells us, "We are very pleased with the outcome today. That finally Julia Haart can't fake it till she makes it anymore. She has to now acknowledge that he owns the apartment and that she is there as a tenant. Now she has to check with him if she wants to have another party, which she should have done to begin with." How the couple's assets, including the apartment, are divided will be decided in the upcoming divorce case. The brouhaha over the fundraiser is just another battle in an ongoing messy split. Scaglia has alleged that Haart stole from Elite World Group to fund her lavish personal lifestyle, buying designer clothes and getting a boob job on the company dime. Haart has called the accusations ludicrous, and said, "I've never taken a penny that doesn't belong to me." They have also been battling over a $132,000 company Bentley. Haart filed for divorce in February, just hours after she was unceremoniously fired from Freedom Holdings' Elite World Group.